morning, my name is Kaye. Welcome back again to my channel, and for today's video, I will show you how to make a coffee jelly. It's one of my favorite summers, guys. Napapadalas talaga paggawa ko ng recipe na out of coffee kasi it's one of my favorite at yun talaga ang nagagamit ko day to day, and I want to create something that I like, that not just because of content or what. So, ayoko masayang yung oras ko, my effort and my energy of creating something that I don't like. So here sa show ko, let's say my cooking show or whatever, ang gusto kong gawin dito yung something na nakakain ko, something na na-try ko, na nagustuhan ko, and if it's not fine or if it's not good, hindi siya masarap, hindi ko siya ipapakita. So I'll see you guys and hope you will like it also. ko yung may whipped coffee kasi para mas masarap siya kasi gusto ko yung may maraming coffee. For coffee lovers, mas magugustuhan nyo to kasi meron siyang may pagka-taste ng super daming coffee. At saka sakto lang yung pagkagawa ko sa size ng gulaman, yung pagkakat, yung medyo manipis lang siya. But you can also make one, pwede mo siyang pakapalin. Gagamit lang kayo ng medyo mas makapal na, ang tawag doon, llanera ba yun sa Tagalog? Kasi yung ginamit ko manipis lang siya eh. So, pwede rin siya para maging makapal siya. Ay, ako kasi gusto ko manipis lang para hindi siya mahirap yung kagatin. So masarap siya kasi mahilig ako sa coffee jelly. Lagi akong umu-order nito kahit nasa mall. Coffee or even milk tea with coffee jelly. Lahat may coffee jelly. This one also, guys, you can also create this one as a drink. Pwede to siya, lagyan lang siya ng ice. And then, pwede na siyang maging, summer drink na rin. Tapos, lalagyan din na siya ng marami ding, tawag nito, milk. Pwede na siya. Kasi, actually, matamis na, medyo matamis siya eh. So, pwede pa siyang lagyan ng ice. Medyo nagawa ako. Ang sarap, guys. Sakto lang yung timpla niya. Kasi medyo binawasan ko yung tamis. Kasi ayoko ng super tamis. Pero, sakto lang. Kasi yung condensed milk, meron na rin siyang kasamang, diba, sweet. So, lang, sakto lang. And if you don't like too much sugar, you can also lessen yung sugar. So, thank you guys for watching and I hope that I get to see you again on my next dessert cooking episode.